Chinese farm store robbed in Santa Cruz. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in St. Elizabeth have launched a manhunt for two men following an armed robbery at a Chinese-operated farm store in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth on Saturday. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Superintendent Dwight Daly, told reporters that at about 10 a.m., the men, one armed with a firearm, held up the store and took an undetermined sum of cash. He said that the robbers also held up a motorcyclist and took his motorcycle. They abandoned the motorcycle at a certain section of the town where it is believed that a motor car was waiting for them. We are now conducting a series of operations in search of these men, Daly said in a report. He is appealing to anyone with information that can assist the police in their investigation to contact 119, the police emergency number 311, Crime Stop or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.